All right. So I'm opening up my Singapore math workbook and I see this problem. And here's what I'm not going to do. I'm going to look, blah, blah. Oh, there's a blank space. All right, they want me to fill it in. All right, 18 plus 4. Okay, I can do this. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, boom, 22. I'm done. That could work. That method of addition is called counting on. However, it is not ideal in many situations, and there's something else that the text is really trying to teach the kids for this lesson. So I'm going to look at the picture, and what I'm gonna model out loud the way I'm thinking about it. And this is called thinking out loud. Maybe I could call it TAL, T-O-L, thinking out loud. But here's what I'm going to do. Okay, I see pictures of bananas. What an amazing artist. Okay, and I see 18. Where's 18? Oh, yeah. Okay, so there's 110 here, and then here's 5 and 3. There's 8. I know that makes 8. So there's my 18 there. And then I see 4. Okay, that must be these 4 gray ones over here. Okay, so we're adding the 18 and the 4 together. And there's this kind of, the textbook is showing me what they want me to do is to circle. I have 8 and 2 more. Ooh, I know that makes 10. So I already had this 10 over here, and then I have another 10 here. I'm even going to write 10 there just to show myself. So I have 1 10, 2 10s, and 2 more. So 2 10s and 2 more 1s makes 22, which is my answer. Or let me check. Yeah, this is 10, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, perfect. That checks out. 18 plus 4 is 22. Now, when I turn my page in the book, I see a different problem. And this one doesn't have that neat little dotted circle to show me what to do, but I know I'm still supposed to use that same method of making a 10 by circling. So I'm going to take a look. All right, I see 28. So where is 28? Oh, this must be 10, 20, and 8. 4 and 4 makes 8. Okay, good. So that matches there. Let me make sure. They're really 10. I see 5 and 5. Good. And 5 and 5. Yeah, okay, good. And then I see a 10 and a 4 over here. Oh, that's the 14. Okay. And it's adding. It wants me to see how many keys are there all together. So these are keys on a keychain. So let's see. I'm going to do that circle thing again. It happens to be a very similar problem. Oh, well. So I'm going to circle these 8. But then I also want 9, 10. I also want to include those ones there. So I could even kind of imagine putting those on a key ring. So I have a key ring of 10 and another 10 and another 10 and a fourth 10 here now. And I have 2 left over. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 is one way to think of it. Or even quicker is just to see I have 4 10s and 2 more individual 1s. So now I'm saying 28 plus 14 is 42. Another way to look at this more abstractly without having the pictorial picture to look at is when I'm adding this, I can say I have 2 10s here and a third 10 here, which makes 3 10s altogether. And then I also have 8 and 4, and I know that 8 and 4 make 12. So 30 and 12 make 42. So that's another way to kind of think of it down the line. I really like making explicit for kids the idea of what the text is trying to teach us here, this concept of making 10, because again, they can be pretty quick to just skip the pictures and go straight to where the blank is. And lastly, because it's trying to teach this very specific strategy.